Hey guys, it's Kevin with Stor-Mor. We've always been known for our storage sheds, but today we're introducing an option called SmartSpace. You can still add an electrical package and spray foam like we would on a standard shed. With this SmartSpace option, the interior will now be finished with an LP SmartSide paneling. Once we've installed the paneling, we then come in and seal all the nail holes and the trim and apply 2 coats of Sherwin-Williams A100 with the color of your choice. The other option that we have for SmartSpace is adding a heating and cooling unit. In this specific unit, we have a 12,000 BTU heating and cooling unit that'll be very efficient for your heating and cooling needs. Your building is going to come standard with a 1x4 base trim recessed 1/4 of an inch, leaving it ready for any type of flooring. Like our standard sheds, you will still have many options to choose from, like our walk-through doors in many configurations, as well as our insulated windows that come in various sizes. If you want to learn how to add SmartSpace to your shed, please visit Stor-Mor.com.